Bad belly girl, make sure your blood clot lick me. Yeah. Make sure your blood clot see me and send to any bad girl where you want to send for. And a bad girl and a bad this. Make sure your blood clot lick me. I'm going to go kick down your fridge. Me I start the war and construct it. I'm going to say who bad from who no bad. Me I start the war and construct it. I'm going to go kick down it blood clot. Because chatting's no wine with people. I remember I chat too now. Me I start the war and construct. Don't call me phone. Up till this day, remember everything stop me ever show you, see that? Up till this day, June. Me have a stop in my back up till this day.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the bit and you can see on the screen. If you keep up to date with Jamaicans, you will realize them not business about a Sunday. Missy Marcy and right now, Rosealee take the thing to save your gardens. Yes, you know, homegirl moved from the ghetto and up and living in the suburbs right now in the Phoenix community. But yeah, the people them is saying that she's trying to take, you know, the attention off of her because, you know, say Akeem and her moms never invite her, you know, to the mama birthday party. And, you know, the thing got on with D at the all-white party. She never get invited this or two. So, yeah, you know what I mean? She have to take the thing to Jake's. As you know, she wild out upon him the other day. Send man to box him down, have a look like clown. And no, she over upon her sister, no. As you can see, the sister has showed the wounds them that Rosealee attributed to her over the years. As you know, Rosealee like for sure fear her wounds them with Jake. But yeah, she's over here pressing people and talking about, you know, the refrigerator and all of these things. So right now, her sister's like, yo, I'm not afraid of you no more. And you need to fix your B-man business before you try to fix hers. Yeah, one bag of thing on the Sunday, you know, my people. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
I come give me things to eat and them things there, yeah? I said my friend treat me. Yeah. Yeah. Where's my kitchen? Chat me, I beg you so much, I come really and truly need to go back my bed.
Blood clot?
No,
right through like night, Drew.
No, for true, because I'm not going to sleep on the ground. She not going to make me sleep on the ground.
La Marsha. La Marsha.
Yo.
Take out one restraining order upon Rosealee.
I mean, I tell her keep
Your sister, but your sister don't like you. And I believe, say, all when me hear cousin, sister, brother, mother, if you bring me down, I bring you down back. Every time she click her live and bring you down, I bring her down back.
Brother,
if she use you as content, use her back as content. Bring down her big sour Miranda right.
Even your family affair, take Keem out your box, make Keem go solve in Batman business and in Batman life. No Becky business now the family issue. No make Keem coming out of family issue. No make Keem coming out of mama, your brother, your sister issue. Take him out of life. No make Keem come and give no blood clot advice. A JD
take down the pies here. Two blood clot enough. Boy, you come up in a box with a suck.
chosen girl, ask before you put them up because I cannot bother. Okay? You trot. I feel like I'm going to real and true what time now. Oh, they're going to go to tomorrow.
No, I can't see the police station. I'm going to unspear, brother. Jonas said dash the barely friend. We have to dash them way.
Yeah, dash them.
We have to dash them way.
And that place say,
we have to dash them.
June dash your belly to girl, dash your belly to, dash your belly like dog. I say it go.
Dash
I don't have money for mine and next child, so I have to dash it away. You have to bless back God. Yeah, Father God, thanks for the blessing, but me I send it back. I say God, I'm here on dash your belly, baby. Yeah.
Who said fuck like June?
And I'm here on dash your belly because your class I get. And this is the thing about I can't understand with you. You want class a girl for things where you do too. You're sad. Okay, your class guys say them suck with you suck like dog. Your class guys say them self fuck or you self fuck. I can't forget the night where you have to go there beat on the man door for your blood clot money because the man know a man never fuck me yet. I don't want to give me my money because my pussy good like that. And extra me I forget it. If me I sell a fuck and a man when me sell fuck and a man a blood the when me used to younger. Right in my pride when I do them something there. When a man fuck me a extra me get. A man not take it back or give me less. So you cuss a girl, I tell a girl she a bad belly, she self-fuck or you self-fuck, but just so the man not really not look for you. And them not give you what you forget. Yeah. So you hear for a girl yourself-fuck or you self-fuck, you say you're sad. You're so cool. You do all of them something with the June.
Naughty girl.
What you self fuck down?
Naughty girl.
Unleash your fucking self.
Unleash me naughty girl. Love me naughty girl. Me naughty girl. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. If she wants to, leave her alone. Girl, me naughty girl. Me naughty girl. Me naughty sober. June me smarter than you. And me now go make you lick me and spoil up my pretty face and my good body. You mad? I'm crazy? Make them go, so I'm afraid. Yes, I'm afraid. Come on, the big dog come lick me. I can't manage a big dog.
Can't run.
I can't run though.
She a talk about girl to come by. She come.
Then you come and talk about girl for come find. You know me there now. Yeah, you know me there. Pull up.
Pull up.
The same like when I find out Ali take Jake, so you find the message Jim. Tish, thank you. When I go find the message Jim in a Jake's foot, in a Jake's foot, you come up by your yard. The yard where you come stone where they are. When you come back for that prom where you give him. Because what they know, you know what they want to find out, say Ali take her man. She buy me one prom and she come back for the prom. She come back for the prom and stone all my house. Yeah. I'm giving you a prom, make you go on, bitch. Cause baby, but before you buy me the prom, baby, they already have one. Him no need it.
You mash up the fridge.
Mash up which fridge? Mash up which fridge?
Fridge for sure. In the pan, go in the red.
Find Unspear police station number. Oh, Unspear. Ask to chat them on Unspear police number. Go.
Who can say, oh, chat, somebody type Unspear police number, no, please, and thanks. So, now, this here, do you mash up my fridge? My fridge, how much come ball out? My fridge. My fridge. Alright, June. Because we not gonna fight to the physically love. I God me say. And Father God, me I beg you, any weapon that form against me today, the 12th of April, any weapon that form against me, send it back. I wrap you up and send you back. I send you back right now. You know what? What?
Yeah, madness. Anyway, people, I just want to give you a quick update with Dino and Rich Rush. They since have both apologized to each other. We had posted the apology video of Dino on our YouTube channel. You can check the shorts section. Rich Rush reposted it on her Instagram story. So right then and there, we know she seemingly accept the apology. Right, a lot of people didn't like what they saw, whether, a big chang back man, I put them things there upon, the woman face and all of them stuff there. But a lot of people is not seeing that, Rich kind of touch him first. You see what I'm saying? This is what people them is saying, homegirl should have really left up for her part of the apology, because it's kind of making it seem like she's untouchable and above the law. You see what I'm saying? Said them, they bring the problem to the people them, and that the people them establishment and know that they're banned and all of this good stuff. But yeah, the people them say, Rich Rush strong, because she all this I shake it up and carnival right now, You know what I mean? But I'm just giving them update where I go on for not to go on. The two of them apologize to them one another and all of these good stuff, don't it? No, I just want to give them a quick update on Joe back down of it. Homeboy was in St. Mary, where there you and as you can see him vehicle lick up in a one pole. You know what I mean? The people them say Isaiah laying and them son a try obey, Joe. So, stink can be a thing once again. Some people. But nevertheless, yes, so Joe is not stressed. Material things are the least in these people's life, because, they're worth a couple billion. You see what I say? But the people them say, Joe, need to take it easy and, they do it, the DUI thing. Right? Right, because, say Joe always drunk off and all of them stuff there. You see what I say? So I'm not sure what transpired, but that's what the people them is saying in the streets. You see what I say? But anyway, people when I go along with this no longer, you know, just to give you them quick update channel day and things, so you don't know what to do. Bless.